Hi and welcome to CicloStudio. This how-to video guides you through the installation of CicloStudio on your Android TV device and explains how to connect it to your CicloStudio account. A CicloStudio account is necessary for this step. If you do not have an account, you can view our video titled Login to Studio Admin Panel before proceeding with this video. Turn on your Android TV device. While it may appear visually different, the structure remains the same, so there's no need to worry. First, navigate to the settings. Find the Settings menu on your Android TV. Connect your Android TV device to the internet. For optimal connectivity, we recommend using an Ethernet cable. Additionally, ensure that the time on the device is accurate and corresponds to your studio location. Now head over to Google Play. If you are not logged in, the first time you click on Google Play, it will prompt you to sign in with your Google account. In Google Play, search for CicloStudio and open the app page. On the app page, click Install to download CicloStudio to your Android TV device. Once the installation is complete, click Open to launch CicloStudio. The CicloStudio app is now running on your Android TV. The CicloStudio app is now open. First, let's set it as the default launcher so that every time the Android TV device is turned on, CicloStudio launches automatically in full screen. Click Set CicloStudio as default launcher. A system notification will appear. Select CicloStudio and click on Always. The notification will then close. Now let's discuss the app modes: Hub, Pod Mirror, and Pod Leaderboard. Hub refers to the main screen of the studio that must be activated first. If you have additional Android TV devices and screens, you can utilize Pod Mirror to duplicate the hub screen. Another option, if activated on your account, is the Pod Leaderboard, which will display the class leaderboard in full screen. To switch between modes, simply click on the box with the type option. The activation process is the same for all modes, but ensure you activate the hub screen first on your main studio screen. Finally, let's connect the CicloStudio Android app to your CicloStudio account and activate your studio screen. Once the app is linked to your account, your 30-day free trial will begin. Using your personal device, scan the QR code located in the bottom right corner. When you scan the QR code, a web page will open, prompting you to log in to your CicloStudio account to connect it to the app. Once you complete the login, you will receive a notification confirming that the kiosk has been successfully added and the studio is now linked. If you do not have a CicloStudio account, you can watch our video titled Register, Login to CicloStudio as Studio Owner. As the account is successfully linked, the app will briefly download videos and then will play scheduled studio classes. Your CicloStudio app now runs classes according to the schedule set up in your studio account. To learn how to schedule classes, watch our video Schedule, Change, and Delete Class in CicloStudio. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more How to CicloStudio videos.